right, here we are again, doing what we love to do. We are on the Chippewa Trail, and we are hitting Black Mountain today. I had a unexpected day off during the week, so I think we're gonna get up here as much as possible and take some of the 52 wave. We'll hit some of those. So obviously this is part of the 52 with the view. Very short hike, not even 3.5 miles, about 3.6 miles, give or take a little. Nice thing is we're the only ones on the trail today, so should be nice. It's gonna be a pretty steep climb today, but short and totally open at the peak. So be some good chewy GoPro. That's it, here we go on the trail, living it. Let's go, Bubs. Yeah, that's boy. It's like our first crossing, and Chewy just, I'm telling you, I think in Chewy's former life, he was a mountain goat. Glad I got that on his GoPro. That's sweet. All right, it's a short hike, so I'm gonna share all the little things on this one. Well, get a good view of the peak as we approach. Fairly steep doing the Chippewa Trail. I think there's some, I don't know, slightly over 50-degree angles. Nothing too bad. But it is the tougher trail to do on this mountain. We like that. All right, here we go. Just another beautiful viewpoint on our way up. There's our destination. We're getting close. Oh. All right. Let's keep moving. Alright, coming up on another view, but it's the other side that we haven't gotten to see yet. Oh, it's the rest of the whites. Just can't get enough of it. All us mountain hikers just can't get enough. And some people say, oh, it all looks the same, it all looks the same. No, it's always different. That's why we do it, right? That's why we do it. Alright, we are on exposed ridgeline now. Very windy. I'm glad I stayed on a smaller mountain today because I almost wanted to go back to the presidentials, but with this wind, that wouldn't have been too fun. So this is perfect. We're almost to the peak. guys at the peak. Share those views together. Coming up on our final push to the peak. Few ice patches here and there, but slipped once, didn't fall. Just have to really watch the footing. Here we go. Drum roll. Nice. Whew. Woo. I can walk all along, go over there. So do some quick exploring on this last push. Tell you, there's nothing better than walking on the exposed ridge line. You really get your second wind. I know, I say it every time, but I like to share what I'm feeling right at the moment of when I'm hiking. Oh, what a great day. You know, the good part, we got the peak to ourselves. And there's nothing better than that. Nothing better. Right, Chewy? Yeah, that a boy. Epic views, Bubba. I can see some of the snow on top of the high ones. But, whoo! No complaining today. Alright, we're gonna have a much needed water break because we have not stopped. And we're gonna soak this in, take a few pics, and head back down, head home. So for me and Chewy, we'll see you next time. Be safe out there, and happy trails.